Okay, welcome back to part two. We're going to do the solve it section of tonight's problem solver. Remember, what kinds of coins could Gabriel have used? Well, if you remember at the beginning of the problem, it says that Gabriel used 7 coins with no quarters. So in the number 1 on the back of your sheet, remember you can't have quarters here. So he could have used, he could have used pennies, could have used dimes, could have used nickels. He also could have used half dollars. How many coins did he use? Look back on the front. It says that Gabriel used 7 coins. So we know the answer to that is 7. What kinds of coins do you think he used? How many of each? Well, what I want you to do now for number 3 is I want you to make guesses. Take a guess at what kinds of coins he used. Remember, no quarters here. Okay, so I want you to write what you think he used. And remember here that when they put their coins together, it was exactly $2.20. And Maria's coins had the same value as Gabriel's coins. So if you take 220, boys and girls, and break it in half, isn't that a dollar? What is that, $1.10 each? So I really want you to think about that, because if you take $1.10, each person's going to spend $1.10. I want you to make up over here. What kinds of coins you think you could use without using quarters? What kinds of quarter? Let's go to number 4 here. What kinds of coins could Marie have used? Well, Marie, she could have used quarters, right? She could have used dimes. She could have used nickels. Or she could have used pennies. And how many coins did she use? Look back at the front of your page. She used how many coins? Marie used 6 coins. Right there it says 6 coins. And again, for number 6, take your guess. What do you think she used? Remember, she didn't use what kind. What kind didn't she use? It says here that Marie used 6 coins with no half dollars. So in this section, you cannot use half dollars. No half dollars in there. Remember that. So and then after you do that, does your groups of coins add up to 220? Try making different groups until you find 2 groups that make 220. So for example, for Gabriel, I could go like this. Dime, 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 2, 3, 4, 5. What's 6 dimes? Does that equal 60 cents? And then, no quarters. I need to get $1.10. What if I used a half dollar? That equals 50 cents. I think that might work for that one. Let's go to number 6. What kinds of coins do you think she used for this one? Marie. Well, what if remember, she can't use half dollars, but what if I did quarter, 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 quarter? What if I use 4 quarters? What other coins could I use? Remember, there's 2 more because she used 6. See if you can figure number 6 out. I want you to come back to school tomorrow with all these other questions filled in, including the answer for number 6. And then for number 9, I want you to put Gabriel's name and what coins he used. And I want you to put Marie's name and the coins she used. Good luck.